Hello and welcome to today's tutorial on creating custom cake molds. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, creating your own unique cake molds can be a fun and rewarding experience. With a few simple tools and materials, you can bring your cake designs to life and take your baking to the next level. Step 1. Choose your cake mold material. There are a variety of materials to choose from when creating a custom cake mold, including silicone, plastic, and metal. Silicone is a popular choice due to its flexible and non-stick properties, making it easy to remove the cake from the mold once it's finished baking. Step 2. Create a template. To create a custom cake mold, you'll need to start by creating a template of the design you want. You can do this by drawing the shape onto paper and cutting it out, or using a computer program to design the template. Step 3. Transfer the template to your mold material. Once you have your template, it's time to transfer it onto the mold material of your choice. If you're using silicone, you can trace the template onto the material and cut it out. For plastic or metal molds, you can use a drill or saw to cut out the shape. Step 4. Assemble the mold. For multi-part molds, you'll need to assemble the pieces to create the final shape. You can use silicone or a food-safe adhesive to secure the pieces together. Step 5. Bake a test cake. Before using your mold, it's important to bake a test cake to ensure that the mold is the right size and shape, and that the cake comes out easily. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can create a custom cake mold that is perfect for your next baking project. Whether you're making a birthday cake, a wedding cake, or just a fun dessert, your custom mold will add a personal touch that is sure to impress. So get creative, have fun, and happy baking!